campaign worksheet has multiple features and functions. At the top, you will have commands to be able to select the campaign or all campaigns via a drop-down box. You have command buttons to insert a row, delete a row, copy rows, create and export a report. You can spell check your sheet. Below that is the overall timeline of all the projects that are visible. This is your filter criteria row, indicated by the blue boxes. You would again pick a drop down of what you want to filter on and click filter. Below that is the actual campaign program modules or work breakdown structures. As illustrated here, this is the strategic planning module. It contains most of the necessary tasks to complete that program or that item. Once inserted, you'll see it has a start date, end date, number of days that it typically takes to complete a task or subtask, and it's inserted in a relationship with formulas that shows you how the tasks are related. To the right is the Gantt chart that helps illustrate the timelines associated with each task and the overall program module. You can scroll by selecting the scroll bar so you can see the different weeks. The program modules are all inserted from structures when you pick them. So as you see here, this is a webinar structure. We have identified structures for webinars, research, creating assets, doing paid ads, and more. The lookup worksheets is what drives the drop-down box. So here are the names in the owner as well as extended teams, and here are your campaign names. And then you have the help file, which is simply a shortcut. It doesn't contain everything, all the instructions that you have in this training, but it's the main sort of things you do day in, day out. And then the report output is actually when you create the report, this is the worksheet that gets created and then gives you an option to save the sheet. So that is the main overview of the campaign project plan tracker.